Welcome back to my channel, and in this session, we are going to analyze Visa company. Okay, we are going to analyze on the stock on the basis of their market cap, and we are going to analyze Visa INC. Okay, and you can see here the one day up to one day, it stock price increased by 0.09 percentage, 5 day 1.69 percentage decrease, 1 month of minus 2.86 percentage decrease, 6 month 7.99 percentage increase, year to date 5.73 percentage increase, 1 year 23.39 percentage increase, 5 year 67.99 percentage increase, and all time high 1745.31 percentage increase. Upcoming earning next report date July 23, reported trade third quarter report 2024, EPS 2.42, revenue 8.92 billion USD, market cap 549.25 billion USD, dividend yield 0.76 percentage, price to earning ratio 31.14, basic EPS 9, net income 16.99 billion, revenue 32.65 billion, shares float 1.57 billion, beta 0.76, about Visa commercial service, miscellaneous commercial service, ran McLaren. Headquarters is in San Francisco, employee 28.8K, founded in 1958. Uh, Visa engaged in the provision of digital payment service. It also facilitates global commerce through the transfer of value and information among the global network of consumers, merchants, financial institutions, business strategic partner, and government utility. It offers debit card, credit card, and prepaid product commercial payment solution and global automated teller machine ATM. The company was founded in by Duke in 1958 and its headquarters is in San Francisco, California. And we will see its financial statement over here. Ownership structure, free float share 1.57 billion, 99.72 percentage. Closely held share 4.46 million, 0.28 capital structure, market cap 549.25 billion, debt 20.60 billion, preferred stock 1.60, cash and equivalent 20.29, enterprise value 551.17, price to earning ratio 31.14x, price to sales ratio 16.38x, and this one is revenue 34.14 billion. This one is market cap 549.25 billion. Revenue P ratio 33.55, PS ratio 17.01, P ratio 42.44, PS ratio 20.35, P ratio 40.59, PS ratio 20.22, P ratio 25.94, PAS ratio 12.95, PE ratio 28.23, PS ratio 14.69. Growth and profitability 2019 revenue 22.98 billion, net income 11.65, net margin 50.70, revenue 28.85 billion, net income 10.48 billion, net margin of 47.95, revenue 24.11 billion, net income 12.01 billion, net margin 49.82, revenue 29.31 billion, net income 14.63 billion, net margin 49.91 percentage, revenue 32.65 billion, net income 16.99 billion, net margin 52.03 percentage, revenue 32.65 billion USD, COGS minus 7.51 billion USD, gross profit 25.14 billion USD, operating expenses minus 3.13 billion USD, operating income 22.02 billion USD, non-operating income expenses minus 980.00 million, tax and others minus 4.05 billion USD, net income 16.99 billion USD, revenue breakdown. We are going to break down its revenue, data processing 16.01 billion USD, 49.02 percentage. Service 14.83 billion, 45.4 percentage. International transaction 11.64 billion, 35.64 percentage. This others 2.48 billion, 7.59 percentage. Now, by country, international revenue 56.7 percentage, 18.52 billion, and United States 43.3 percentage, 14.14 billion. Estimate revenue, actual revenue 21.85 billion USD, estimate 21.73 billion USD, surprise 116.92 million USD, 0.54. Actual revenue 24.11 billion USD, estimate 24.06 billion USD, surprise 44.70 million USD, 0.19 percentage. Actual revenue 29.31 billion USD, estimate 29.08 billion USD, surprise 232.47 million USD. Actual revenue 32.65 billion USD, estimate 32.61 billion USD, surprise 42.28 million USD, 0.13 percentage. Estimate revenue 35.93 billion USD. Actual revenue 5.04 billion USD. Estimate 5 billion USD. Surprise 0.04 USD, 0.71 percentage. Actual revenue 5.91 USD. Estimate 5.80 billion USD. Surprise 0.11 and 1.84 percentage. 2022 actual revenue 7.50 billion USD, estimate 7.43. 2023 actual revenue 8.77 billion USD, estimate 8.68 billion USD. Dividend history, dividend yield 0.71 percentage, last payment 0.52, last ex date May 16, 2024, and 2019 dividend per share 1 USD, dividend yield 0.58, dividend per share fiscal year 2020 1.20, dividend yield 0.60, dividend per share 1.28 USD, dividend yield 0.57, dividend per share 1.50 USD, dividend yield 0.84, dividend per share 1.80 USD, dividend yield 0.78. Financial health, debt 16.73 billion USD, free cash flow 12.03 billion USD, cash and equivalent 9.18 billion USD, debt 24.64 billion USD, free cash flow 9.70 billion USD, cash and equivalent 17.32 billion USD, debt 21.60 billion USD, free cash flow 14.52 billion USD, cash and equivalent 17.54 billion USD, debt 22.97 billion USD, free cash flow 17.88 billion USD, cash and equivalent 18.04 billion USD, debt 20.98 billion USD, free cash flow 19.70 billion USD, cash and equivalent 18.99 billion USD. Financial analysis assist 33.53 billion, liabilities 23.10, assist 56.97 billion, liabilities 28.67 billion. Okay, and we'll see by the source of revenue. We have analyzed it. Assist. Now we'll go out to the balance sheet. Here overview statement, and here will be the 2017 statement will be shown here. 18.36 total revenue, 20.61 2018, 22.98, 21.85, 24.11, 29.31, 32.65, 34.14. Gross profit 14.55, 16.14, 18.16, 16.57, 18.33, 12.72, 25.14, 26.35. Operating income 12.16, 13.56, 15.40, 14.11, 15.83. 19.75, 22.02, 23. Pre-tax income 11.69, 12.81, 14.88, 13.79, 16.06, 18.14, 21.04, 22.34. Non-controlling minority interest 000. After tax other income expenses minus 232, minus 359, minus 430, minus 391, 303, 327, 200, minus 234. Net income 6.47 billion, 9.94 billion, 11.65 billion. 10.48 billion, 12.01 billion, 14.63 billion, 16.99 billion, 11.11 billion. Diluted net income 6.47, 9.94, 11.65, 10.48, 12.01, 14.63, 16.99, 18.18. Basic earning per share 2.81, 4.44, 5.33, 4.90, 5.64, 7.02, 8.30, 9. Diluted earning per share 2.70, 4.27, 5.13, 4.71, 5.49, 6.85, 8.15. And total operating expenses 6.20, 7.05, 7.56, 7.74, 8.28, 9.56, 10.64, and 11.14. We will see its balance sheet. Total assets 67.98, 69.23, 72.57, 80.92, 82.90, 85.90, 90.9050. Total liabilities 35.22, 35.22, 37.89, 44.71, 45.31, 49.92, 51.77. Total equity 32.76. 34.01, 34.68, 36.21, 37.59, 35.58, 38.73. Total liabilities and shareholder equity 67.98, 69.23, 72.57, 80.92, 82.90, 75.90, 90.50. Total debt 18.37, 16.63, 16.73, 24.64. 21.60, 22.97, 20.98, net debt 3.90, 3.43, 3.31, 3.57, 2.03, 2.10, 1 minus 1.85, book value per share 11.98, 12.88, 13.53, 14.65, 16.32, 16.08, 18.31. And cash flow statement will be shown here. Cash from operating activity 9.21, 12.71, 12.78, 10.44, 15.23, 18.85, 20.76, 20.88. Cash from investing activities 735.00 minus 3.08 billion minus 591.00 million minus for 1.43 billion minus 152.00 million minus 4.29 billion, 2.01 billion minus 4.24 billion. Cash from financing activity 5.92 billion minus 11.24 billion minus 12.06 billion minus 3.97 billion minus 14.41 billion, 12.70 billion, 17.77 billion, C minus 16.75 billion. Free cash flow 8.50 billion, 12 billion, 12.03 billion, 9.70 billion, 14.52 billion, 17.88 billion, 19.70, 19.73 billion. We will see its statistics report. 2017 price to earning ratio 38.97. Price to cash flow ratio 27.37. Price to earning ratio 35.16. Cash flow ratio 27.50. Earning ratio 33.55. Price to cash flow 30.57. 42.44. Cash flow ratio 42.58. 40.59. Cash flow ratio 32.01. Earning ratio 25.94. Cash flow ratio 20.13. Earning ratio 28.23, cash flow ratio 23.11, common share outstanding 1.82, 1.77, 1.72, 1.68, 1.68, 1.64, 1.59, 1.57, float share outstanding 1.82, 1.77, 1.72, 1.66 billion, 1.67 billion, 1.63 billion, 1.59 billion, 1.57 billion. Number of employees 15K, 17K, 19.50K, 20.50K, 21.50K, 26.50K, 28.80K. Number of shareholder 1.80K, 1.80K. Same price to book ratio 8.79, 11.65. 12.79, 13.65, 13.65, 11.05, 12.56, 14.10. Enterprise value 261.47 billion and up to last enterprise value 551.17 billion. And return on AC is 20.22 on last year. Return on equity 45.81. Return on invested capital 30.12. Gross margin 76.74. Operating margin 66.21. EBITDA margin 69.05. Net margin 52.34. And here is the dividend history. 2017 dividend per share 0.66 USD, dividend yield 0.63. 2018 dividend per share 0.83, dividend yield 0.55, 2019 dividend per share 1, dividend yield 0.58, dividend per share 1.20, dividend yield 0.60, per share 1.28, dividend yield 0.57, dividend per share 1.50, 0.84, per share 1.80, dividend yield 1.0.78, payout ratio 24.44, 29.33, 59.50, 25.47, 23.32, 29, 21.90, 22.09, and earning 2016 reported 2.84, estimate 2.78, reported 3.48, estimate 3.43, reported 4.61, estimate 4.59, reported 5.04, estimate 5, reported 5.91, estimate 5.80, reported 7.50, estimate 7.43, reported 8.77, estimate 8.68, and revenue will see its revenue data processing 16 billion, service 14 billion, international transaction 11, others 2, data processing 14 billion, service 13 billion, international transaction 9.82, other 1.99, data processing 12, service 11, international transaction 6.53, other 1.68, data processing 10.98, service 9.80, international 6.30, other 1.43. Data processing 10.33, service 9.70, international transaction 7.80, other 1.31, data processing 9.03, service 8.92, international transaction 7.21, data processing 7.79, service 7.98, international transaction 6.32, others 841.00 million by country. International revenue 9.65, 11.28, 12.70, 11.72, 12.95, 16.46, 18.52 billion, and United States 8.70, 9.33, 10.28, 10.13, 11.16, 12.85, 14.14, and we will see its forecast and forecast report of within 1 year it will reach its maximum height of 335, average will be 309, current 275, and minimum will be 265. And technical signal, 1 month technical signal RSI 62.47, stochastic 78.78, commodity 109, average directional index 18.61, awesome oscillator 48.20, momentum 36.76, MACD 17.21, stochastic 71.14, Williams percent range minus 22.01, bull bear power 34.71, ultimate oscillator 15.64, exponential moving average 262.0, simple move 260, exponential moving average of 20 day 247, 20 day 242, 30 day 237, and Ichimochi baseline 232.78, volume weighted moving average 241.07, all moving average 232, support third 129, support second 136, support first 223, pivot point 243, so resistance first 230, resistance second 300, support third 357, Fibonacci 106, 207, 221, 243, 242, 265, 278, 300, 244, 249, 255, 243, 265, 270, 276, 173, 190, 131, 247, 228, 288, 304, 345, 233, 248, 290. And we'll see it on super chart by adding accumulation, distribution, and volume indicator. Here you can see the accumulation of this stock is done from this phase and this phase up to which its value was around 30 during year of 2012. Now its stock price is in all-time high position around 274. We don't need to add any other indicator. Okay. Thank you for your precious time to my YouTube channel. And if you have any feedback, then you can directly comment. See, accumulation is done here. The next page accumulation here, and all out of stock accumulation is done from here also. Consider about this point. Okay, this much for today.